So today we're going to be looking at sets, which is one of Python data structure objects. Sets are useful when you want to organize data where the order and the frequency of the data doesn't matter. So the way you can create a set is using the set function, like that. And if you want to create sets with values, you can use the set function again, and then you pass in a list of values like this. So if we look at the set, we can see we have false, 1, 2, 3, just 1, 4, and then x. So with sets, they don't contain duplicate elements. So if we do pass it a duplicated element, it'll just turn it into 1. Now once you create a set, if you want to add another element into the set, you can use the dot add function. So add, and then in there we can add whatever other element we want. So if you look at S now, we'll have 5 in there. We can also remove elements from the set by using the s.remove, and then you pass it the element that you want to remove. So let's say we want to remove x, and now if we look at S, you can see that x has been removed. So if we pass something that isn't in the set, like say 99, it'll give you an error. If you want to avoid the key errors, you can also use the dot discard function, which works the same way. So you pass it the element that you want to discard. So let's say we want to get rid of 3 from the set. If we look at set, it's got rid of the 3. But with this, if we pass it an element that doesn't exist in the set, so like this, it won't give you an error, and you can see the set still looks like we expect it to. You can also get the length of the set by doing len and then passing the set in there. So we have 5 elements, and if we want to clear out the set, we can do s.clear, and that will get rid of everything in the set and give you an empty set back. So there's a few other things you can do with sets. So let's say we have a set odds, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, and we have another set evens, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And let's say we have another set prime numbers, so primes, we want 2, 3, 5, and 7. Now let's say we want to find all the numbers that are both odds and evens. We can do evens and then use the union function and then pass it the other set, which is odds, and that'll give you all the numbers that are in odds or in evens. And you can also use the intersection function, which will give you all the numbers in both the sets. So let's say we want to find all the odd numbers in the prime sets. So let's do odds.intersection and then pass in primes, and you can see that 3, 5, and 7 are the odd prime numbers, and we can do the same with evens. So let's do evens.intersection and then pass in primes again, and we get back 2. You can also check if something is in a set using the in keyword. So if you want to check 7 is in even, you can see that it gives you back a false because 7 isn't an even number. And if we do 7 in odds, we'll get true. So that's it for sets, and I'll see you next time with another data structure object, tuples.